Hey guys, welcome back to our channel DC Teach Me How. Today we will be going through a few easy steps to convert and save a Microsoft Word document to PDF. There are a few ways we can do this. For this tutorial I will be using Microsoft Office 2016. After you finish compiling your document, go to the top left-hand side of the page and click on File. Then on the left side of the page scroll down to Save As, and select your preferred location to save your document. For this tutorial I will choose to save my document to the desktop for quick access. I will call my document Profile 1. Now this is the part you should really pay attention to. Below in the Save As Type drop-down, you are going to select PDF and then hit Save. Our second method to do this may have a few more steps involved, but it will work just the same. First you go to your preferred internet browser and head over to www.google.com. In the search bar you want to enter Word to PDF, then hit Search. Scroll through and select the link that appeals more to you. Once you are on the website page, navigate your way to choosing a Word document to upload from your computer or other selected device. Let the website convert your document and wait for it to finish. Once it is completed, choose a location to save your PDF document. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment and share, and see you in the next one.